Set your health goals.
Start by defining your personal health goals. Do you want to eat more vegetables, manage your weight, or boost your energy? Being clear about your aims helps guide your food choices and keeps you motivated. Your goals should be realistic and adapted to your needs, whether you're preparing meals for yourself or your family.
Plan balanced meals.
Focus on variety and balance in every meal. Aim to include lean proteins, whole grains, healthy fats, fruits, and vegetables each day. Use simple formulas like filling half your plate with plants. Rotate different proteins and grains to keep things interesting and to cover all your nutritional bases.
Make a weekly menu.
Write down your meals for the week. Start with dinners, then add lunches and breakfasts. Keep things flexible by mixing favorites with new recipes. Planning ahead reduces stress and makes shopping easier. It also helps limit last-minute unhealthy choices, saving you time and money.
Create a smart grocery list.
List only what you need for your meals and healthy snacks. Organize your list by food groups or store sections to shop efficiently. Buying only what you plan to use cuts down on waste. Stick to your list to stay on track with your health goals and budget.
Prep and cook in batches.
Save time by prepping basics like grains, proteins, and veggies all at once. Store portioned ingredients in containers so meals come together quickly. Use batch cooking for soups, stews, or salads. This way, healthy choices are always ready, even on your busiest days.